Swing cuts. Begin in middle grip in your dominant hand. I would recommend adjusting the grip so the middle finger is in the middle of the short edge and the pinky doesn't make contact with the cards. Break off a small packet using your index finger by contacting the short edge with the tip of your finger, applying pressure towards the thumb and bending your finger. After you lift up the packet, swivel the cards towards the other hand. These two movements should be done in a smooth motion in practice. Move the cards to your other hand and place them into the wedge of your hand between your thumb and index finger. Then use your thumb to grip the packet and place the cards into mechanics grip with the pinky at the bottom. Repeat the process to perform successive swing cuts. Swivel cut. Begin by performing a swing cut. When in this position, use your non-dominant hand's index finger to grip the cards at the short edge closest to the body. I personally readjust my dominant hand's index finger to the middle of the short edge for added control. Then pivot the packet around the fingers and place the packet into mechanics grip. The swivel cut can also be performed with your thumbs and with the packet on top or underneath the deck.